Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best hammer you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Estwing Sure Strike Drilling/Crack Hammer. The Estwing 16-ounce straight rip claw hammer boasts a grip handle with patented shock reduction to make your projects more comfortable than you thought possible and reduces impact vibration by 70%. Besides this, the forged one-piece steel offers durability, making it a hammer you'll buy once and will last you for years to come through a variety of DIY jobs. Because of this, it makes a perfect DIY gift for your loved ones. The rip claw design provides versatility, so you can tackle a variety of different purposes, including pulling nails and prying boards, which is all done with ease. It's easy to handle and balances exceptionally well, even for something where the head weighs 16 ounces, so you'll have complete control with your home repairs. It provides you a good hammering performance, as the Estwing standard-sized smooth face, 1-inch diameter, allows you to keep your eye on small nails or screws. The steep curve of the claw gives you good leverage when you need to pull out stubborn nails. Pros: very good value for money. High-quality design. Sturdy steel construction. Lightweight. Comfortable to use. Cons: expensive. Number 2. Best Choice 8 ounces Stubby Claw Hammer. Not every hammer is intended for building homes or destroying them. Take the Best Choice Stubby Claw Hammer, for instance. At less than 7 inches long, you can safely call this tool tiny, but if you just need a hammer for hanging a picture frame on occasion, then this tool is perfect. Its small size makes it easy to store, just don't lose it in the junk drawer. If you've ever accidentally hit your thumb instead of the nail head you were aiming for, then you'll appreciate the magnetic nail holder built into this hammer. It will hold your nail straight so that you can get it started without the need for holding it with your other hand. This hammer has a curved claw that's great for pulling nails. With a hammer this size, even if it was a rip claw, it wouldn't be good for much else. Don't expect to build or demo anything serious with this hammer. It's made from soft alloy that won't hold up to the abuse, but if you need a tiny tool to stash away for the rare moments you need it, then this hammer is the perfect candidate. Pros: compact size, takes up no space. Curved claw for maximum leverage when pulling nails. Magnetic nail holder for starting nails with one hand. Comfortable to use. Cons: the stubby design has limited usefulness. Soft alloy steel doesn't hold up to rough use. Number 3. IRWIN Hammer, Fiberglass, General Purpose. When a tool is warranted for life against normal use like the IRWIN claw hammer, you know that it's a well-built tool you can rely on. But that's not the only great thing about this hammer. It's got a forged steel head, durable with a smooth face that's less likely to mar any surfaces you hit accidentally. Unfortunately, it's not as hard as we'd like. Ours got several dents from hard impacts, particularly against steel tools like chisels. Banging a hammer around all day can create some serious impact on your joints and bones. Luckily, this hammer has a vibration-absorbing fiberglass handle that doesn't transfer as much impact. Plus, the product grip reduces impacts even further and provides great grip so the hammer never slips. This tool is how the head and handle are joined. They're glued together with epoxy. For light-duty use, this is fine. But if your hammer is going to be abused, we'd recommend looking for one that's a bit more durable. Pros: priced affordably. Smooth face is less likely to mar. Vibration-absorbing fiberglass handle with product grip. Warranted for life against normal use. Cons: epoxy joined head and handle. Number 4. Estwing Hammer, 16 ounces straight rip claw. Hammers lead difficult lives that consist of getting their heads bashed in daily. To endure such an existence, they need to be robust and durable, which is why the Estwing E3-16S claw hammer is forged as a single piece of solid steel. The handle and head are all one piece, ensuring there are no weak points in the design. This makes for an incredibly strong hammer, though it also causes it to ring like a tuning fork when you strike it, to make sure that your bones don't ring like the hammer from Each impact, a shock-absorbing grip was used that reduces 70% of impact vibrations. On the other side of the head, the smooth face is perfect for finishing work and isn't as likely to mar if you accidentally hit something you didn't mean to. Luckily, Estwing's hammers are warranted against failure from normal use, unless you decide to throw this hammer off of skyscrapers. It might be the last hammer you ever need to purchase. Pros. Forged as a single piece of solid steel. The rip claw is incredibly versatile. Smooth face is great for finishing work. Warranted against failure from normal use. Cons. It rings like a tuning fork. Number 5. Dewalt DWH 5104 16 ounces, Rip Claw Hammer. Be criminal not to mention the Dewalt DWH 5104 16 ounces, Rip Claw Hammer when talking about the very best. Claw hammers are usually used to drive nails in and pull them out, especially while on framing jobs, and few do this better than the Dewalt DWH 51048 hammer. The yellow and black design is easy on the eye and is a feature that makes it very attractive to any potential buyer. It doesn't end there. The head is also crafted with the finest steel, making for a durable, striking tool that will drive the nail home with precision. It also does a good job with its weight distribution, ensuring that using it is convenient and that your strikes are never unbalanced, one hand, leaving you free to entirely focus on the task of striking and doing a good job. Proudly made in the USA with the highest grade of materials available, the Dewalt DWH 5104 16 ounces. Rip Claw Hammer is possibly the best claw hammer on the market and one that any consumer would be lucky to have. Pros. Dual mode of operation. Lightweight. 360-degree handle. Cons. Doesn't have a keyless chuck. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.